So good day everyone, my name is Divina. So today I will explain the output of my C++ program which is called the Student Grade Manager. So ako sa ipakita tanan code mo ni siya. So kani siya nga code, this main objective of the program is to manage up to 10 students records using all four CRUD operations. So CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. This program helps us organize student data in a simple and efficient way. So first is the program compiles without errors, which means it runs properly. So it can store exactly 10 students maximum, dili siya pwede mula pa sa limit. So for the CRUD operations, sa create, mag-add og new student until ma-reach ang limit. Sa read, mo display sa tanan student og ang total count. Sa update naman, mo change sa grades sa existing student. And then sa delete, mo remove og student og mo shift in ang array para walay gap. And then diri sa kani siya ang search function para na siya pangitaon ang student by ID. So ato na siyang i-run. Kani siya. So as you can see, sa output na atay menu system. So na user-friendly siya. It shows the currently capacity. For example, 0/10 student out of 10 students. And it gives choices from 1 to 6. 1 to 6. So when I choose option 1, which is add new student, so I will put here 001 sa ID. And then for example, my name, Divina. Then, butang po na ako akong grade. So, 95. Ayan, 95. Then, after that, the program confirms that the student was added successfully. So, ayan. Added successfully and the capacity becomes 1/10. Ayan, nara. 1/10. So, mag-choice sa punta dirita sa number 2. So, which means view all student. Okay. So, the program displays all student records in a table format, including their ID, their name, and their grade. So, data sa testing phases. For testing phases, adding 10 students works correctly. So, kani siya, nag-add na ko anig 10 students. Para to. Wait lang. Nag-add na ko ani 10 students. So, itry na to kung mag-add kog 11 student. Kung mo shows bilid siya sa error. As an error. Kaya, di ba ang capacity is 10 lang ang limit. So, let's check. Add tag student. Okay. So, mo na siya. Error. The student limit reached. Cannot add more students. So, it works siya. So, deleting one student, adding another one works properly. Si atong itry kung deleting one students, kung mag-work, kung maka-add ba ta. Sige. So, ato i-delete si 004. So, 008 pala. Ayan. So, student deleted successfully. So, updating. Next is updating na existent student shows an error. Dito tayo sa number 3. Kung student ID, atong ibutang 011. Kung naa ba? So, error, student with ID 11 not found. Okay, so not found siya. Dito sa search student, this that does exist also shows an error. So there is a 5. Let's choose 5 0112. So, student error with the ID 12 not found then. So, overall, this program successfully demonstrates all CRUD operations. It's easy to use, organized, and effective in managing student records using C++. So, maoro to siya. And lastly, di ay itong i-check kung ma-view ba ang student tanan. Ayan, so maunit tanan ang result. 10 students. So, yan. I mean, 9 over 10 students. Okay, so thank you for watching, and this is my explanation of the program output.